Let's create a notification pipeline that notifies a different list of people based on the alarm's priority. So we're going to filter on the alarm's priority here. Let's assume that all the alarms are already configured to come into this pipeline. Since we're filtering on the priority, we can either use the switch block or the expression block to make this happen. The switch block will allow me to switch on the priority, doing something different for every single priority that exists. The expression will allow me to check for a particular priority, and it returns true or false. So I can do something if it's true, I can do something different if it's false. So let's do that one here. So I'm going to bring the expression block into my pipeline. I'm going to hook up my start into the end of the expression. Now the expression is going to return true or false. So down here in the bottom left, I can type in what I want that expression to be. So I'm going to check for the alarm's priority. So I'm going to go and use the curly braces here to go and bring in the priority of the alarm. I don't know what that priority is going to be, so I put this placeholder here, which is a curly brace priority in curly brace. When the alarm comes in for real, it's going to be replaced with the actual priority of that alarm. Here I want to check to see if that priority is critical, which is if it's equal to 4. A 0 is diagnostic, 1 is low, 2 is medium, 3 is high, and 4 is critical. So if the priority is critical, if that equals 4, then it will come to the output pin of true. If it is false, it'll come to the output pin of false. So I can do something different for each of those conditions. So I'm going to bring a notification block in. I'm going to hook up the true into the end of the notification. On the first one, I'm basically going to say I'm going to email. On the contacts I want to email are the critical ones. So that's going to be as critical as a different list of people than the non-critical. So I can take another notification block, bring it right down below, and I can hook up the false into the end of the notification. And on here I can set that one to go to email, but this time go to a different list, a non-critical list. So as you can see, we're filtering on the priority. When it's critical, I email one list of people. If it's not critical, I email a different list of people.